Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the deletion operation in linked list. First, we will consider this existing linked list. Consider 5 nodes 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And the address is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 and 5000. The last element of addresses always should be null. Linked list means two fields are to be there. One is data and the another one is address of next node. The first node is head and the last node is tail. Deletion at beginning. When the first node 10 is deleted, we get only remaining 4 node as output. Here there is a changes in head node. For deletion operation, we don't need of any values because already inserted values are only be deleted. For deletion, first we have to disconnect the link. Disconnect the link by the means of placing the null value at the address field. That node can be disconnected because we said that the number of elements occupying in different locations and we are establishing the link between one node and another node by placing the address of node in the present node. Here the node is 20 and the address stored is the address of next node 30. That is the second node address is stored in the first node address field. Here in the place of 2000 we have to place the null value. Automatically the node will be disconnected from the linked list. After deleting the first node, we have to place the head to the second node. We can't modify the head. We take one temporary variable and assign head to that temporary variable. So temp is equal to head and the next statement is head is equal to head of next. After executing the statement, the head will be moved to next node 20. Temp of next is equal to null. By executing this statement, the connection will be disconnected. In this case, we don't change the order of statement execution. Deletion at end. Here, we have to delete the node 50 and the tail should be moved to 40. The address field of node 40 is changed to null because the null indicates the last node. Here we don't change the head node. Taking temporary variable as head and we have to move till the node 30 by the traversal statement temp is equal to temp of next. By placing temp of next is equal to null, automatically the link will be disconnected from the linked list. By the statement tail is equal to temp, we are changing the tail node. Deletion at a particular position. In this case, first we have to read the position and traversal up to position -1. We place the next node address in the present node. In this example, I am going to delete at a position of 2. For this case, move the head from 0th position to position -1. In the node 20, we have to place the address of the node 40 and link the node 20 with the node 40. For I equal to 0, I less than position -1, I plus plus, temp is equal to temp of next. By executing the statement, it will reach us until position -1. Now the temp variable will be in the node 20. In the place of 3000, we have to place the address of 40. To get this one, simply we have to write temp of next is equal to temp of next of next. Temp of next means 3000. Temp of next means 4000. By executing the statement, the link between 30 node will be disconnected and establishing the link between 20 and the node 40. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.